What's going on, fellas? I'm rolling in a 2009 Chevy Express van. It was showing me the warning message, engine reduced power. The check engine light was on for sure, and I was able to pull these 4 codes out of it, mostly pertaining to the throttle body. One of these codes is about the brake switch, which is not going to cause anything to run rough or go into reduced power mode. Just wanted to make a brief note. I was able to clear all of these codes with the engine off, with the exception of the P2176. I tried multiple times to clear that code, and every time I would start the engine afterwards, the code would come right back and it would run terrible. It was like it was misfiring. I attempted to clear that code with the engine running, and immediately that light went off. It started running better, running smoothly. I'm driving it now, there's no issues. But basically what we're looking at here, if you ever see this multitude of codes, you can try cleaning your throttle body. You can do all sorts of witchcraft on it, but you're gonna have to replace it, just so you know. But yeah, just wanted to make this video to tell you all about this code, the P2176 code. If you can't clear the code, try to clear it with the engine running, and you might have some luck.